Hi guys and welcome back. So for today's video, I'm doing something a little different and I'm really excited about it because I've been wanting to get this product for so long. If you've heard of something called, I believe it's called the Halo Face Makeup Remover, something like that. It's going viral. It's all over Instagram. A bunch of popular YouTubers are using it to take their makeup off. And I wanted to get my hands on one. Well, not that one, but something else that I had found on Amazon, and I'm going to be trying it out today. What I'm going to be using is the Miracle Face Erase. Again, I got this off of Amazon, and if you would like to see what happens, then keep on watching. I have not opened this. I've never tried a product like this. The way I personally take my makeup off is with the Neutrogena makeup wipes and then do all my skincare after. But just like a lot of other people, it's getting to a point that the amount of waste that we produce on a daily basis is far, far too much. So I also wanted to take a step in the right direction and use something that can be used over and over and over and minimize my waste. So I felt like this was a great option and will also save me a lot of money in the end. So I really can't complain about that. So again, this is called the Miracle Face Erase. This bad boy had tons and tons and tons of reviews on Amazon, which is what caught my eye. So I figured, why not give it a shot? This was around $12. I get 2 of the Miracle Face Erase makeup remover cloths and 6 snag-free elastic hair bands, which is pretty cool. I lose mine, I feel like, on a daily basis, and they just show up randomly all over my house. So why not have 6 more? All right, let's get this open. And this is what it looks like. And again, I get 2 of these. That's way bigger than I thought it would be. Look at that bad boy. And I like pink. Matches my sweatshirt. That is super cute. So I believe one side is the, okay, so right here. This side is the exfoliate side. And then this side, it says it on the tag, is the erase side. So that's really cool that that is labeled so you do not get that confused, because honestly, they might look a little different on each side, but I could see how it could get easily confused and you would be like, which side's what, you know? So there is something in here, a piece of paper. All right, let's see what this is. So these are the instructions. You can wash these just in with your normal laundry. Oh, I'm supposed to wash these before I use them. Do I dare be a daredevil and just use it? That was my plan. Maybe you would want to follow the instructions, but I go against the grain. I take risks. I'm not going to do that. Let's just pretend I washed it. Boom, boom. Washed, clean, ready to go. Then it says, gather your hair into a ponytail by using the snag-free elastic hair bands to hold your hair back. Where are you? Oh, they're at the bottom. Boom. Here are the elastic hair bands. There's 2 pink, 2 black, and 2 white. Oh, these are nice hair bands. That is nice. And for my thick hair, it's actually holding it back really well. Okay, now I do have a bowl of warm water right here. So it says, wet the Miracle Face Erase cloth. We recommend using warm water and to get it fully soaked. Then gently rub off makeup in a circular motion with the erase side. Then flip the cloth over and use the exfoliate side to exfoliate. Okie dokie, let's dip it in. My water is still pretty warm, so. There is dye. No, not really. I think that's just kind of a reflection, because once I take it out, it's really not. All right, cool. So there's not any dye coming off. So which side is what now? All right, this is the erase side. So it says use circular motions. And let's go. Alrighty then. Yeah, baby. That is taking it right off. I'm not even rubbing hard at all. And I have a shit ton of makeup on today. Oh, yes. And it feels so good. It is so soft. Oh, I should take my lashes off. Let's get these lashes off. Oh. I don't know about you, but that feels just as good as taking your bra off. If not better. Sometimes I feel like it's better. I mean, seriously, it's effortless. It is coming off so easy, and I'm not even rubbing hard. Now, I have not touched my eyes yet because this is actually waterproof mascara. I don't really see anywhere that it says, oh yeah, it does. Quickly and easily removes all kinds of makeup, even waterproof mascara, dark eyeliner, foundation, lipstick. So it claims to quickly and easily remove waterproof mascara. I have waterproof mascara on. Let's see if it can remove it. I have the Essence False Lash Effect mascara on. So let's see if this works. I hope it works. Oh my God, it did. Okay, not fully yet. Okay, not as much as I thought it was. I hate to keep rubbing on my lower lash line. I can see it coming off. I mean, it did get a lot of that waterproof mascara off. Can you see that? All the black right there? That's pretty good for waterproof mascara. Oh yeah, that's really good. Even though it's not completely removing it, you know what I mean? It's definitely loosening it up enough that when I go in to do my cleansers and all of my skincare after this, because that's what I would usually do. I'd usually use my Neutrogena makeup removing wipes, and I must say it was really, really hard to remove waterproof mascara with those wipes. But it's done a damn good job getting it off. I'm really impressed. Now I'm going to go in and use the exfoliation side just to see kind of what that's about. I'm getting water everywhere. All right, exfoliate. Not quite sure how this would exfoliate. This feels so good on my face. I'm kind of curious to go ahead and just use the second one just to see if I see any makeup on this one after it claims to be able to get all of the other makeup off. So I'm going in with the new cloth, or the other cloth that has not been used. This is the erase side, and I see nothing on this cloth at all. Holy moly, I am freaking in love. Wow. I actually feel like just with the one cloth, all my makeup is off. There might be the tiniest bit of eyelash glue, but I'm used to that. Even after I do anything else, usually I still am getting eyelash glue out a day later, you know? But, my skin just looks good. Like, my skin still even has like a natural glow to it right now, which is crazy. But there's nothing worse than feeling like you don't get all of your makeup off. And that is the biggest beauty secret I feel like anybody can do, is to make sure they get all of their makeup off of their face before they go to bed. So if this helps with that and eliminates extra waste from makeup removing cloths and saves you money, I might buy another box of these just to have like on the side, just in case I didn't get to, you know, getting to the laundry that day or whatnot. My laundry is like right behind the camera. Just to make sure I kind of always have one to use. Oh my gosh. It just says wash the cloth as needed, dryer and dryer sheet friendly. Why is not everybody using these? Put the freaking makeup wipes like out of business, man. You know what I mean? This is the way to go. I am just blown away right now. Holy crap. And I got all these hair ties now. I will put a link down below where you can find these and let me know what you think, or if you have these or you tried something like it, and if you fell in love with it just like me. They have a lot of different types of the makeup eraser type microfiber cloths. So there's a whole bunch on Amazon if you are to search for them. I just went with the one that had the most reviews, and I was reading the reviews and wanted to try one out for myself. I am so pleasantly surprised, and I actually went in with very positive thoughts thinking that this was going to be as awesome as it is. I am so happy, and that might be one of my best Amazon purchases ever. So I am extremely happy about this. All right, well, I am going to go finish up my nighttime routine and get ready for bed because I am extremely tired. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you guys on my next one. Thanks for watching.